Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME Pad, and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and now we have to scroll. Actually, you do not have to scroll because we have to enter the apps and notifications, which are on the third position. Now let's enter advanced, and right under it, actually at the very bottom of this list, we've got special app access. So let's tap on it, and here we have to find the option which is called install unknown apps, and it is right here. So let's tap. And as you can see, this is the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content. So if you'd like to, for example, allow Gmail to install something, just enter it and tap on the switcher right here. Now we can go back. And as you can see, from now on, the Gmail is allowed to install something. Of course, be aware that you're doing it on your own responsibility, because some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer. So you may put the data on your device and actually your whole device at the risk. So remember about that. Of course, it will work the same with all other apps. And if you'd like to close, remove the permission, just turn it off. And just go back, tap on the app you'd like to remove, and tap on this switcher again. And after getting back, you can see that the Gmail is not allowed to install anything. So actually, this is it. This is how to allow unknown sources in your REALME Pad. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.